most people, they hear like the word leprosy and they're like, I thought that went away like in biblical times or at the latest, like during the dark ages and everything like that. How much of a serious threat is leprosy like on Guam, or could it be?
Yeah. So it's not that leprosy is a huge threat to Guam, but the fact that leprosy and zero leprosy is very achievable is the reason why we're working so hard to raise awareness on the island and to bring together the different stakeholders on the island to work together and achieve it. And so our organization is a representative or a member of the Global Partnership for Zero Leprosy, and so is the Public Health TB and Hansen's Disease Program. And in the partnership, as a community-based organization and a nonprofit organization, our role is really to be the instrument in the community to deliver education about leprosy, let people know, number one, it's still here, number two, what are the signs and symptoms of it and where to go for treatment, but also to know that this is something achievable. We all work together as the stakeholders to eliminate them.
So this is something that's not entirely zero at this point, but we could get there, and at the same time, we don't want to let it flare up and become a thing.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
So leprosy is not a huge thing on the island, but we definitely still have cases.
I'm always like amazed that like leprosy is even around. I honestly I thought medical science actually eradicated it a long time ago.
Yeah, and that's where the awareness comes in. We don't talk about it a lot because there's a lot of stigma around the disease, and since biblical times we've seen that there's a lot of stigma on it, but this is why we're here today, to discuss the current situation on leprosy and then discuss, how are we going to get the information out into the community, and then how are we going to eradicate it.
And obviously the partners that you've brought here today, I mean, it's nonprofit organizations, it's private sector, it's our friends in the military, it's government and everything like that. And everybody's all working towards the same goal, but it needs leadership.
Definitely. So it's really an honor for us to be able to be a part of the leadership and the core group that's bringing forward this action plan. And without saying, we appreciate the contributions of the stakeholders, because without them, we wouldn't be able to get a proper view of the current situation, and then also making sure that when we roll out the action plan, everyone has had a say in it, and then they understand that we're going to work together as an island to eliminate it.
And in line with the Todo Guam Foundation's mission, this is about one component of wellness that, we all need to be made aware of and that we can concentrate on. But, what else are you working on with like other forums like this that people can, get a heads up for?
Yeah, definitely. So our organization works on disease prevention, but we also want to be able to take care of infectious disease and let people know where to go and what to do. But as an organization, we really focus on being able to offer access to care. So regardless of your health situation, we want to make sure that we're there in the community and we let everyone know that if you know where you need to get care, we are able to provide the services to the underserved community.
All right. Well, thank you for what you're doing, not only for the Guam community, but as we're now seeing, like the broader Pacific area and everything like that. You guys are amazing.